That is a beautiful fish. Jeez. All right, let him go. There you go. See you, buddy. All right, check this out. Today I'm fishing this small stream that's kind of hard to get to. I've never fished it before, and it's running pretty high right now. It's one of the first streams to be experiencing runoff, because it's mid-April, and this is more of like a low stream. This isn't a high alpine stream. It doesn't start somewhere very high. So seeing what we can get into. I'm gonna fish with a squirmy worm and a copper john and just nymph the deep pockets. I got one. Oh my God. He ate the squirmy worm. It's a rainbow. It's a rainbow. Whoa, there's wild rainbows here? That's crazy. Beautiful rainbow trout. That is a pretty interesting fish then, that he's wild and lives here. That's pretty cool. They always say foam is home. I guess that's true. That fish ate in the foam. There's one. That's different. Is that Brookie? That's Brookie. And he bit the copper john. Oh, it's a beautiful Brookie. Wow. The colors on these fish are amazing. All right, got me a rainbow and then got a Brookie. See you, buddy. There he goes. Got him, got him. Oh man, I got the fish are in very calm water. What do we got here? What do we got here? What is that? A Brookie? Oh boy. Little Brookie. This Brookie has brown trout spots. He has red spots with blue around him. That's crazy. All right, we're gonna put him back. See you, buddy. There he goes. Got one. Oh, that was a nice fish. You see him flop out of the water? Try to go back for this fish. There he is, there he is. I got him. Oh, almost ate it. That's a rainbow. That's a rainbow. Oh, that's a nice one. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh, that's a beauty. Ah. Went back for this fish because he bit, and I think he felt the hook, but he came off earlier. So I was like, all right, I'll give him like 5-10 minutes, fish another hole, and then come back. And I'm glad I came back. Jeez, they're beautiful in here. I'm surprised this place has wild rainbows. It's really interesting they're in here. I'm pretty excited about it. That is a beautiful fish. Jeez. All right, let him go. There you go. See you, buddy. There's one. That's a rainbow. Oh, it came off. Man, that was a nicer fish. That was a rainbow. Got him, got him. Popped off. I transported him upstream. I got him over the log jam. He's been trying to get over that his whole life. There's fish. That's a brown. I got 3 fish in here, 3 different species. Big copper john too. These runoff conditions, that's a beauty. Wow, I'm pretty certain there are no cutthroats in here, so that probably completes all the types of fish I could catch. That's pretty sweet. Love this. And these are all wild trout. Like, that's pretty cool. There's one. Not a bad fish. Little brookie. Beautiful. Gorgeous fish. They have pretty cool spots in here. He's only got a few spots. Another like kind of like a brown trout colored brookie. Wow, he's only got a few spots. Look at that. All right, let him go. There you go. See you, buddy. That one. Got him. Oh, got him. Rainbow. There's a lot of rainbows in here. Another little rainbow. I don't really know where to put this guy back. I'll just put him in there. See you, dude. I see one. He went for it. I see him. Oh, he's right there. Oh, I had him. Got him. Squirmy worm. Squirmy worm. I'm just gonna unhook him by hand because I don't want to get all tangled. Squirmy worm rookie. Oh, yeah, maybe I need. Oh, perfect. You got it right off. Love it. Love it. The sun is just very sunny. There's one. Super pretty rainbow. Woohoo, baby. There you go.